Dear everyone, in the previous episode, I spoke of Shiva as Shunya, that he is nothing and as well everything. To explain this phenomena in a simple way, I'll add here a conversation between the great Bhikshu Nagasena and King Milinda. It's a very notable and quite a lengthy conversation, but I'm just shortening it here. Milinda was an Indo-Greek king, that is during the 2nd century. Once, Milinda went to meet the Buddhist monk Nagasena. Nagasena is also called as Nagarjuna. On seeing the king, Nagasena asked him that how did he reach here? King Milinda said that he came there on the chariot. Now Nagasena tried to explain about nothingness to King Milinda using the chariot simile. Nagasena said, "So if you have come in a chariot, then tell me, are the poles of the chariot called as the chariot? Or are the wheels of the chariot called as the chariot? Or is the flag or the yoke or are the spokes of the chariot called as the chariot?" Milinda said, "No, they are not the chariot, but they are separate parts of the chariot." Then Nagasena said, "So this means that what we call as a chariot is only a sound. And what is seen as a chariot, it's just an illusion. Likewise, me as Nagasena and you as Milinda are just sounds. And what is seen as body is only an illusion. And the real self is what the true nothingness is." Also, I am giving another example on the phenomena of how being nothing is actually everything. One day, a disciple asked his Guru, "Guruji, please tell me who I am, because this question as to who the real me is, it's so annoying that it's not allowing me to even sleep well." So the Guru said, "Now that's good. It shows that you are progressing well. Now I'll help you further in realizing who you are by reciting this poem. I am the fire, I am the light. I am the dark, I am the night. I am the bubble, I am the ocean. I am the cloud, I am the rain. I am the nectar, I am the flower. I am the wing, I am the bird. I am the path, I am the destination. I am the origin, I am the truth." The disciple who was listening to the poem excitingly asks, "Guruji, am I truly all that?" And the Guru said, "You truly already are all that. You are just nothing and as well everything. And the mystery is, you need only to realize this truth." So Shiva is nothing and as well everything, which means that you are already nothing and you are already as well everything. But what is lacking is that you have to realize this truth yourself. And now let's see about the oval shape of the lingam. See, this shape is a formless shape of Shiva, and it is a symbolism of creation. The oval egg-shaped top stone of the lingam, this represents Purusha, and the bottom base of the lingam, this represents Prakriti. So the lingam is the union of Prakriti and Purusha. And we know that this is how creation happens. So Shiva is the union of both the masculine and the feminine energy. That is why he is called as Ardhanarishvara, that is half man and half woman. And about Shiva's third eye. Because of his third eye, Shiva is also called as Trayambakeshvara. See, Shiva's third eye is the eye of the beyond. See, our two physical eyes, they are to see the physical world. And the third eye, it is to see the beyond. It is to see the apparent, that something that the other two eyes cannot perceive. The third eye is also called as the Agna Chakra or the pituitary gland. It represents Agni or fire, which destroys the negatives in the mind. For this, there is a story where it says that Shiva burnt Kamadeva to ashes by opening his third eye. This happens when Kamadev shoots an arrow of desire on Shiva, that is to arouse affection towards Parvati. Shiva immediately opens his third eye and burns him to ashes. Now, the underlying meaning of the story is, when any desire of blind affection or some kind of a negative emotion arouses within you, then you can destroy such a negative desire by taking the path of wisdom, because the third eye is the eye of wisdom. Shiva is also referred to as the coolest god. That is why he resides on the top peaks of Himalayas, and Ganga flows from his head. See, the Shivalinga is referred to as a column of fire, the pillar of Linga. It is so hot that in every Shiva temple, a pot of water is placed just above the lingam, wherefrom water drops down continuously on the lingam. This is to cool the lingam, because the lingam is very hot. Shiva is so hot that placing him on the Himalayas, it's the right place to keep him cool. See, even in the human body, our head is the hottest place. The head is both the hottest place and the coolest place. See, if you are in turmoil, you are hot, and if you are in peace, you are cool. So, to reach to that Kailasa in the body, you have to cross through the spiritual sadhanas. That is, you have to cross through all the 7 chakras aligned on the spine in the body. See, speaking this in the geographical manner, that is, even geographically, the 7 Shiva temples are aligned in straight line, that is down south from Rameshwaram to peak north, that is Kedarnath. See, this distance is around 2,383 kilometers, that is between Kedarnath and Rameshwaram, but the mystery is, still this longitude is the same. See how our ancients interweaved science and spirituality together and constructed such monumental efficacies. Our ancients were masters in every aspect of life. So let us keep this rich legacy of our ancients alive by understanding the truth behind their great respect for life. And thank you now for listening.